Don't give up now. Don't quit because it's hard now. Don't think that like, okay, I just need to get past this one because there is going to be something else hard that comes along. But guys, God's got us. We've got to understand that you are still God's people. God is still caring for you. God is still loving for you. That is for these people here in these 7 churches, and that still exists for us here today. We're in the middle of COVID. We're in the middle of this political era. We're in the middle of wars going on, actually in Russia and the Ukraine, and financial issues and all of the above. So does this book speak to us still today? I think yes. But the major overall heading that we need to keep in mind the whole time we are reading the book of Revelation is times are tough now, and they will get harder. But I was with God, and He said He will take care of you. You are His people. He does love you. They will bring you to another side.